take you around this recently completed kitchen project and show you some of the features. It's a dark stained oak veneer door with Buster and Punch smoked bronze handles, Corian top. This unit is on the reverse of the island to house your posh cutlery and crockery to serve the table. We have a technology drawer for charging all your laptops and phones, etc., rather than having all the wires hidden. More drawers. We have a Fisher & Paykel drawer fridge freezer, which could be a fridge, freezer or pantry storage, so that's really handy. Again, quite functional to serve the dining area. The worktop overhangs, so you've got this handy little sociable seating area or working from home. We've put a socket under here with USB ports, so you could plug a laptop in, work here. We have a big double pantry to house all your goodies and hide away your worktop appliances, toaster, etc. Lots of storage in there. We have then drawers on this side of the island for sort of everyday utensils, crockery with a lovely little pegboard so you can stop the crockery moving around, and then drawer division so you can neatly store all the things you need for preparation and cooking. We have on this side, again Corian, we have a Visug dishwasher, which is great because it's got the cutlery insert and it's got that lovely lift up function, which is really handy. Works better when it's full. Sink base, under-mounted ceramic sink, cooker tap in a lovely patinaed brass finish with the cube, so it has hot, chilled, sparkling, chilled, cold and normal hot and cold water. The cube function lives under there. We have a pull-out bin with an internal drawer for keeping all your foils and bin bags, largest capacity possible. Cupboard with internal drawers for cleaning. On the island for cooking, we have borer with the downdraft extraction. In this case, we've got 2 induction hobs. We have this lovely bespoke element, which is a hanging shelf with grass racks. These slide across to give you functionality. You can obviously hang things up there, and it's in a lovely bronze finish to match the hardware and the taps. We have a Sub-Zero freezer, which has my favourite ice cubes, which are in these little moon shapes. NASA technology maximises the chilling of a drink. We have Visug steam oven, vac pack drawer in that lovely mirrored glass finish. We have fridge freezer, again Sub-Zero. Then the most important thing in my mind, Sub-Zero wine cooler for your champagne. Thank you.